Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to send an attachment on Discord using your Android device. Whether it's an image, document, or any other file, sharing is simple and quick. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the Google Play Store and download it. Once you're in the app, log in to your account. Next, navigate to the conversation where you want to send the file. This could be a direct message to a friend or a channel in a server. Tap on the conversation to open it. Now, look for the plus icon located at the bottom left of your screen. It's a small round button that helps you add something new to the chat. Give it a tap. After that, options will appear for you to choose from. Here, you want to select File. This will open up your device's storage, allowing you to browse through your files. Once you locate the file you want to send, simply tap on it to select it. If you need to send multiple files, you can select more than one before proceeding. Finally, look for the send arrow icon, usually located to the right of the text input field. Tap on that icon, and your file will be sent, and that's it. You've successfully shared a file on Discord. It's as easy as that. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Discord effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.